Is it recording now?
Yeah, recording. Yeah, you can proceed.
Yeah. Business partner. Business partner means it is the place where we can create the vendors and customers in S4HANA. So previously,
Actually, sorry to interrupt. You have to give a brief introduction, like a small 2-3 line introduction of yourself.
yeah, about me. Okay. Yeah, this is Jitendra. I have completed my Bachelor of Business Administration from Badruka College of Commerce and Arts. And 1 year I have worked as a team accountant in Nine Advisory, that is Australian company. And currently I am pursuing MBA, Master of Business Administration from Vision PG College, Usman University, Hyderabad. I have completed my MBA first year. Uh, till I am currently I am studying MBA second year, and parallelly I am looking for SAP job opportunities. And today I am going to explain about business partner. Yeah, business partner means it is the place where we can create the vendors and customers in S4HANA. So previously in ECC we use the T codes XK01 for the creation of vendors, and for the creation of customers we use the T codes XT02. But in S4HANA those two T codes we want to work. Instead of those two T codes, we use the T code called BP. So BP, it is the T code for the creation of vendors and customers in S4HANA. So in ECC, we have to create separately. For creation of vendor, we use separate T code, and for the creation of customers, we have to use separate T code. But for in S4HANA, in only one place, we can create both vendors and customers. So it is the T code for the creation of vendors and customers in S4HANA. So BP, it can be a person, group, and organization. So BP is basically role based. There are many roles in BP. Based on roles, we have to create the business partner. Like in ECC version, for the creation of a vendor, generally we create general data, company code data, purchasing data. But here what happens is roles are there. We can select the respective roles. Based on the respective roles, we have to create the business partner. Based on our requirement, we have to create. So there are many options available while creating the BP, which is not there in ECC. I will show you those extra options which is not there in ECC version. Yeah. Here see in here address overview option is added, which is not there in ECC. While creating the vendor in XK01, address overview is added, and the salutation option is also added. And if you are creating the organization, then we have to give the legal entity details, which are not there in ECC while creating the vendor. And we have to add the additional text. These all options are added in the business partner. Technical identification. Yeah. And these all T codes won't work in the S4HANA. Like for the creation of vendor XD01 change display, for the creation of customer XK01, XK02 change, XK03 display, these all T codes won't work in the S4HANA. And FD01, FD02, these all T codes won't work in the S4HANA. And all these vendor open items and vendor open items, customer open item tables level data will store in the AC docket table. Yeah, coming to the configuration, how we are doing in the ECC version, like up to the creation of extension master data, it is same. There are only 3 changes we need to do for the creation of business partner. I will show those. Yeah. First, how we do in ECC version? First, we need to do define vendor account groups. Up to this extension of vendor master, the process is same. Only three configuration we need to do for business partner. So first we need to define vendor account groups in OBD3, that is domestic international one-time vendor. Next we need to define vendor number ranges. And next assign those vendor number ranges to account group in OBAS. Define vendor next we need to define vendor reconciliation accounts in FS00. That means we need to create GL accounts for domestic, international and one time. So what I said, this XK01 won't work in the S4HANA. If you click those XK01, it will take you to the BP page only. 1 minute.
Hi guys, good evening. Who is presenting?
Yeah, I'm presenting, sir. Jitendra.
Chandra. What about?
Jitendra.
Okay. What is the?
Yeah, I'm telling about business partner.
Okay, yeah, good. Go ahead.
So transaction XK01 is obsolete. That means it won't work. And for change XK02, it will be there. XK03 display also there. This T code also. But these T codes won't work. XK02, XK03 also just it is for display purpose only. But these T codes won't work in the S4HANA. And I will show you the configuration.
Absolutely right.
What?
Absolutely right. That is a transaction.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah. So 1 minute. Up to this the configuration is same in S4HANA also, like how we are doing in ECC version. So now we have to do again three configuration for a business partner. I will show those. See, first we have to do we have to give the number ranges to business partner. This one configuration we have to do, and the next configuration is we have to define group for the business partner. This is the second configuration, and the third configuration mapping the BP to the vendor. Right, this one mapping BP to the vendor. That means we have already created the vendor account groups, like I have shown in the notepad. Like so for that one, for here we need to map the BP to vendor. Then in BP grouping, the company code will come. I will show that configuration. Cross application components, SAP business partner. SAP business partner, basic settings. Yeah, wait. Business partner, basic settings, number ranges and grouping. Yeah, these two configurations we need to do for a business partner. Define number ranges. See, I have already created the number ranges like day before yesterday I have created. Yeah, SN is my number range. We have to create the number range here for BP. And next configuration is define groupings. We need to define the groupings for the BP. Like I will show my
SN is fixed for BP.
BP.
Hello. Yeah, SN number range is fixed for business partner.
Assign.
SN number range is predefined for business partner, or we can set another
We
number
need to set.
range.
We need to set.
But it must be SN or it could be other than SN also.
Sorry, your voice is not audible to me.
Sir, it could be audio. Sorry, it could be SN or it could be other than SN.
Yeah, we can
Means it
create
could be
anything. SN anything we have to create. We can create anything. I have taken SN only.
Yeah, it is not system defined, na?
No. I have taken.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, define groupings. I will. And my group is wait. Yeah, this one Teja Jittu. This is I have created the group. And next, this is the most important step. In this step only, VP to vendor mapping will be there. Yeah. Cross application components, master data synchronization. Where is this master? Yeah. Master data synchronization. Customer vendor integration, business partner settings. Yeah, settings for vendor integration. Set define BP role. Assign keys. Yeah, define number assignment for direction of BP to vendor. Here I have taken Teja. Teja is the group. TLV is my Teja local vendor. This is the account group I have created. So here I have mapped this one. So when I go to BP, this is only configuration. When I go to BP, here in grouping, Teja company, Gittu company code will come. This is my company code. After doing the those three configuration and those accounting group like what we done in ECC, after doing those all configuration, it will come here Jittu company code. And here roles are there like if you want to there are standard roles are there for general data. If you want to create only business general data, then we need to create then we need to select a business partner only. Like if you want to create only company code data general data, there is roles are there, we need to select the respective roles. And if you want to create purchasing data, then we need to select the respective option. These options won't there in the ECC version. This is the configuration, and here important tables in the business partner. Yeah, for to see the business partner general data, BP triple O is the table. For general data one, BP BUT 000. This is the general data. Why here field name is not coming? 1 minute. Still it is not coming this one. Yeah, I will show you like. Yeah, this is BP 000 is the table to see the business partner general data, and BUT 000 is for to see the general data one, and this T code is for to see the general data two, like. And this one is to see the bank details. These are all the table level T codes for a business partner. BD 001 is for assigned customer partner. BC 001 is the assigned vendor partner. If we want to see only address, then BP 030 is the T code to see the table level data, and BP 1000 to see all the roles. BUTOBK is all the bank details. Actually, my field name here, field names are not coming. If I want to enter a business partner 125 number, what I have created earlier. So here field name is not coming. I don't know why, what exactly happened. So that's why I'm just showing you. I'm just explaining. Yeah, yeah. This is all about business partner. Yeah, thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, nice explanation, Jitendra.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice presentation, bro.
Nice presentation, bro.
All right.
Yeah, Satyanarayan sir, you taking the class today, sir?
Yeah, Gopi. Just wait for a minute. Okay.
Yes, sir. And Lalita Garu is also waiting for to give a presentation, sir.
Yeah, then continue with Lalita. Okay.